Hey everyone! If you're getting the YouTube Premium error that says we could not verify your country, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to help resolve it. Just follow each step carefully. First, let's check your internet connection. Before anything else, make sure your internet is stable. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you're already using mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi or try another network. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons this error shows up. Let's move with the most important thing, turning off your VPN. YouTube Premium may not work properly if it detects a different location. To check this, open your Settings app. Next, go to On VPN. If you see that a VPN is connected, disconnect it completely. Make sure no VPN is running in the background before moving on. If the problem is still there, don't worry. Let's move on to the next fix and report the issue directly to YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your device, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon at the top right corner to go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Send Feedback. Here's the important part. Clearly explain the issue. Mention that your VPN is turned off, but YouTube Premium is still unable to verify your country. You can also attach a screenshot of the error message to help the support team understand the problem better. Once you submit the feedback, YouTube will review your report and get back to you. And that's it. After following these steps, the YouTube Premium country verification error should be resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.